Natalie. Natalie. Come here.
Let's stay away from the chopsticks.
Natalie. Come here. Come here.
She probably won't do it now that I have the camera.
Yeah. Come here.
Give her something she really wants to go towards. There she goes. She's doing it.
Come here.
You're doing it.
That's fine, but you gotta figure that out.
Look at you. Look at you crawling. There you go. Look at you.
She sure did all those. Yeah, I know she come clear over here to old Vicky.
She did.
Come here.
Yeah. Go ahead. She's like, now there's audience. I don't know if I want to do it. Look at you, baby.
There's no doubt about it.
She took at least two.
Oh, I saw her take 3 just a while ago. Too.
Yeah.
I mean, she actually moved her knees one after another.
Yeah, she did.
3.
She was going after that keyboard the first time. Maybe, where's my cell phone? Look at this. Natty. Natty. You want this? She did it. I promise you she did it. You love that. Look at you. There you go. There you go. You're crawling. Yeah. You were crawling. Look at you.
No, don't lick it.
There she goes. Look at you. Oh my goodness. Big girl.
Baby. Natalie. Natalie.
Look at you, big girl. Now we really gotta watch out.
Come here. Let me see that. Natalie. Natalie.
She's looking for what you put away. She did another round of a bunch of them. Yeah. She's looking at Papa now. You coming over to Mommy? Come see Mommy. How about you come over to the shoe? Come over to the shoe. Come on. There she goes. Look at you. She's doing it. Yay. Yay. Good girl. Good girl. She said, I did it. Oh.
She's learned mobility now.
Yeah. Good girl. Mommy's so proud of you.
No. You two did it.
Was that Natalie?
That was Natalie.
Rough work.
She's happy now. She's got Daddy's iPhone. Oh my goodness. What a surprise. Mommy wasn't expecting that. What a good baby. What a good baby. Yeah. We're so excited. That was so fun.